Let us imagine you found a plot of land that you think you'd like to buy, but you want to be absolutely certain that it's suitable for building your dream villa. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what we do to help our clients make that decision. And essentially, we give them three things. An architect's opinion on the plot, a development cost appraisal spreadsheet, and a review of the planning regulations that relate to that particular plot. Hello and welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's John Wolfendale and I'm the founder of Vida Homes. We help foreigners build villas in Spain and take what might look like a daunting and complex process and we make it simple. So if you need some help, contact me through the website ecovidahomes.com. The first of the three things we give our clients is an architect's opinion on the plot. Now, in order for us to do this well, we need to understand your vision. So we will have asked you to send us images of the kind of villa that you want to build, and we need to know the size of it and maybe how you're going to use it as well. And ideally, we're going to meet you at the plot so that we can do this together. Now, the architect is going to be looking for such things as ease of access, the topography, of course, the views, the solar orientation. We're going to be looking at the neighbours and any other developments that might happen in the future. Anything, in fact, that might prevent you from building your dream home on the plot. Secondly, we're going to provide you with a development cost appraisal spreadsheet. Now, we haven't done any design work yet, so these are estimates. But nonetheless, we've seen the plot, we've understood your vision, and we're in the market, so we know how much things cost. So these are good estimates. More to the point, there's a complete list of them. So there's at least a number in there for every item. And what we're going to do is, following our meeting, is we're going to produce this on our own. Then we're going to get back online with you, look at the development cost appraisal spreadsheet together, iterate with it maybe, try to get to a point where you're comfortable with the numbers and we think they're realistic. And that is going to allow you to have a sensible negotiation on the price of the plot and be comfortable that you can do what you want to do within your budget. And the third thing we do is a review of the planning regulations that relate to that particular plot. We understand your vision and we need to square that with what is permissible on the plot. I'm thinking of maximum height, distance from the boundaries, all these sorts of things that we do for you so you don't have to worry about the Spanish red tape. We're going to also be asking for something called a cédula urbanística from the local authority, which is a written report on the status of the plot. So with these three pieces of information, our clients are now in a position where they can make a decision. They should know, if it be the case, that they can do what they want to on that plot, both legally and within their budget. And of course, they can have a sensible negotiation on the price of the plot too. Now, it may be that it would help you to understand what you can get for your money. And if that is the case, you need to watch the next video in which I describe some real projects with real costs. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, like it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.